Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting video because I actually picked up a good amount of Christmas sets and some of the new Christmas makeup that's came out, and today we're going to be doing a review on the new Too Faced Hot Buttered Rum palette. Super excited about this. Too Faced this year, the collection this year of all the Too Faced Christmas stuff is like out of this world. Over the top cute. It's got some really good stuff. I will be doing a separate video talking about like all the products that I've picked up, and I'll be doing more reviews on some of the products separately, kind of like how I'm going to be doing the Too Faced Butter Rum palette today. And I'm going to be creating a eye look for you guys. So before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe down below, check out my social medias. I have my Instagram, and then I have my Spunky Scrunchies Instagram. You guys need to go follow those. Highly recommend it. And then let's just get into the video, guys. So when you open up the box, the palette looks like this. It is in it's like a metal carton. And then when you open it up, here are the colors. It does have a mirror right up here. The shades are really pretty. I don't really have an all warm tone palette, and this one just intrigued me because it's really small and it's cute. And then it does have the names of all the shades on the back. I do wish they were on the inside of the palette, but what are we gonna do? And it smells just like hot buttered rum. I have the lipstick set that they released last year that has the hot buttered rum lipstick in it. I love that one, and the pumpkin spice one. This one that smells really good, but it's not like super strong smelling like hot buttered rum, but it does smell really, really good. Reminds you of Christmas, all the warm, cozy feelings you get. So we're just going to go ahead and dive into this and do a quick little look. I'm feeling like the really warm tone look today. I mean, I don't really have a choice because we're working with a warm tone palette. Anywho, I think I'm just going to dive into the shade called Bottoms Up, which is this shade right here. I'm just taking a fluffy brush. I'm just going to work that all into my, it's going to be a little bit above the crease, because I take my shadow a little bit higher onto my brow bone, just because I kind of like the way that looks. Okay, and then I'm going to take more of an angled brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Cinnamon. It's spelled this way. So we're going to go into that shade. It's kind of like this like rustic, I don't know. It's like a really neat rusty color. I really like that they included a shade like this into the palette, and I'm just working that shade into the crease just to kind of define the crease a little bit. Okay, then I'm going to take the same shade and drag it into my lower lash line. Okay, then I'm going to go into the shade called Spiked, which is this top shade right here, over here. It's like a dark shade. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's got little flecks of gold glitter in it. It's really pretty. I'm going to go into that shade with the same angled brush I've been working with, and just put that, stamp that right into the outer crease area. And then I'm kind of going to do a halo eye look, so I'm going to put that into the inner crease, or the inner corner as well. And then I'm just going to take my fluffy brush that I was using earlier, and then just kind of blend all those together. Okay, and then we're going to go into the shade, okay, we're going to go into this top shade called Born to Rum. It's this like gold shade right here. And I'm just going to put that right there where we did our halo eye. That is so pretty. I love that a lot. Then I'm going to take the shade called Whipped Cream, which is this shade right here. It's kind of just this like shimmery, iridescent like white shade. I'm going to take this pointed brush, and I went ahead and wetted it already. Wetted. That's not even a word. I dampened my brush, and then I'm just going to pop that right into the inner corner. So that is going to complete the eye look for today. Let me do some quick swatches for you guys because I forgot to do that at the beginning of the video. So first off, this one is going to be called, this one is Whipped Cream here. And then we've got Bottoms Up. This one is called Born to Rum. The last one on the top row is called Spiked. And then the bottom row is just, this is just like a matte, like white shade. You really can't see it very good there. Then we've got Cinnamon, Buttered Rum. So here are all the swatches of the Hot Buttered Rum palette. I think they are all really pretty. They're all a bunch of warm tones. They got some really good colors. I think this is a really good palette if you are, you know, wanting a good natural wearable palette to have on like an everyday basis type look. Let me put on some mascara and I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So I put on some mascara and this is the final look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just a quick thing about the Buttered Rum palette. It does retail for $25. I did get mine at Ulta. I think it's a really good little palette. I think it's cute. It's fun for the holidays. I recommend picking it up if you're into neutral colors and you just wanted to add something that's maybe a little more smaller and like travel friendly to your collection. I think that's a great aspect of the palette that's kind of smaller. But yeah guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.